Well, down tree at the side of the road. Came down from that one there. Right. It's a little slippery. Yeah. That one. Broke that top up there. Down it came. Alright guys, today's January 10th. It is -2 out. With the wind chill, it's like -7. We had some heavy rain yesterday, some freezing rain, some snow, and a tree came down here. Right there, got blown right over. I'm glad it came this way and not towards our stuff down there, because that wouldn't have been funny. But yeah, so we're here to empty some bins, stuff from the eBay store. We're putting them into the shop now. Gonna grab some more empty bins and check the driveways, which don't look too bad right now. Didn't get plowed in or nothing. With all that rain we had, it melted a lot of the snow. So yeah, look, it looks pretty good. It's a little slick on the top. Starting to snow a little bit. It's supposed to snow the rest of the night. So we come to get done what we can. So for now, we're gonna get these bins here unloaded and into the shop. Here we go, plowing the spot. We're gonna put up our storage tent for our personal belongings. Well, we need somewhere to store it. So this is where it's going. Rod's doing that now. And we're just out front of the trailer. Right there. There we go, done. Cleared a spot to put up our storage tent. That will be a temporary solution for now because I do want this to be our garden. It gets a lot of sun here. I thought solar, but it's too far away from the house. I've got to go more that way, I think. Anyways, there's other use for this besides our storage tent, so it'll be a temporary solution until we move in the house. It's all done. Well, guys, we've had snow since the last time we've been here. We are here to drop off some stuff at the shop. Items donated to us, so they'll go into the shop now. But Rod drove around here a little bit, and there's so much snow. The front end was touching the top of the snow, so Rod is now gone to get our tractor, or the Mini, one of them, to come and plow our driveway here and over there. Let's see. I can see the trailer from here. It is right there. That's the wood on top of the trailer. So I can hear the machine running. I'm pretty sure Rod's on his way up here. He'll probably have to plow his way. Oh my God, look it. Holy, look it. So it's pretty deep. He's gonna plow us out. Plow down here as well. See, I'm at the very top of the hill. Can't see the driveway. But, ongoing issue. It's winter. Whether you like it or not, if the snow is here, you have to plow. God made it up here. Gonna open the driveway a bit. Move the truck. Ice there. Alright, I'm gonna move the truck so you can finish up. There we go, guys. Look at that. The machine cleared a pathway. Isn't that nice? Awesome. Rod's finishing up back there. We unloaded the truck. It's done. Look at that nice path. Made a nice trail for the wagon. You could see the grooves there from the wagon. Yeah, we pulled them right out of here. Look at that. Pulled that wagon with the loads of stuff off, made it easier. I don't know. Even still having a tractor, we use the wagon. Look at that. The wagon. So all the stuff is put into the back part over there because this here is eBay stuff that has to be kept room for because there's more bins coming. Like, yeah, more bins. So we got the other driveway to finish off, the one to the trailer. Look at the snow. Can you see it? Big, beautiful flakes of snow. The homestead driveway. A little slippery under there. We really have to fix that culvert up in that corner. We definitely need chains. They're coming. Here we are. We got the homestead plot out. Look at that. There's our apple tree. And there's the other apple tree. Look, it buried right up to its branches. Jeez. And then the other one is right there. Long skinny stick there. But they're doing all right. They're making it through the winter, they are. All right, let's have a look here. Here we go. Enough to get around in here. Look at that. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. I just want to say thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you again. Bye for now.